Hi, my name is Dale Emerson. I'm here today to talk to you about a brand new project. It's called the Homeopathic Academy. But here at B Jain, what we're doing is we're inviting the leading teachers to come and join us to allow those students, be they graduate or undergraduate, or be they even professional homeopaths, to have access 24 hours a day. We're in a soundproof bunker room here with the most leading state-of-the-art technology. This technology is video technology, but beyond video technology. This technology will allow us, using our special green room here, to show your screen, show your statistics or your graphics, your PowerPoint presentations, and even to share whatever other multimedia objects that you may have that you would like to present to your students.